लेमन ट्री भी कुछ चेंजेस करने वाला है अपने प्लान में, या वही सेम ई पोर्टल वाला प्लान रहने वाला है?
नहीं, हमारे विचार में टू बी सक्सेसफुल इन द इंटरनेट स्पेस you need a huge amount of capital. Or I think that we will continue to invest in our own website, our loyalty program, and so on. But long term, there will be a partnership with the large and dominant players in the internet online travel space, and those will obviously be people like Make My Trip and Booking.com and so on.
सर मेक माई ट्रिप को लेके थोड़ा सॉफ्ट टच नहीं है आपकी तरफ,
यानी कि
आपका थोड़ा सा?
हाँ, because they are partners of ours. I don't see them as they are not dushmans. They are हमारे दोस्त हैं, and we work together to increase the market, reach out to more customers, and it's fair that we share, the upside also together.
हिंदुस्तान में सर पहले से इतिहास से ये रहा है कि जहाँ एक दुकान खुलती है वहाँ दूसरी खुलती है, फिर तीसरी खुलती है, और वेब स्पेस भी बेसिकली एक एरिया है जहाँ एक दुकान खुल रही है, दूसरी खुल रही है। ऐसे तो कंपटीशन बहुत बढ़ जाएगा धीरे धीरे सर। लेमन ट्री और मेक माई ट्रिप और भी जो पोर्टल्स हैं।
नहीं, we are more of a hotel operator, and as far as the internet space goes, we are nowhere near Make My Trip. Make My Trip gets 100 times more customers than we do every day. So we will partner with whoever is right for us in the internet space. I don't see us becoming online travel agents ourselves, because we are online travel agents customers. Maybe sometime, of course, we want to improve customer access to our website, because it is the cheapest way and the best way. And but over time this will happen, I have no doubt. So it's a question, in our case what we want to do is build enough supply, own enough supply in India, control enough supply, which will make customers want to come to us, strengthen our brand, and then obviously use Make My Trip or our own website to make it easy for customers to book us.
तो इट्स ओनली मतलब ये केवल मेक माई ट्रिप से ही रहेगा, या कोई भी आके अगर आपको बोलेगा कि हाँ वे पार्टनर विद अस?
Agnostic. We will work with everybody.
एनीवन इन द इंडस्ट्री हु वुड लाइक टू?
Obviously helps us get customers at a fair cost.
बट लेमन ट्री तो अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड है। लेमन ट्री कोई छोटा होटल नहीं है, तो उसको देखना नहीं पड़ेगा पहले कि मेरे स्टेटस को ये मैच भी कर रहा है? कोई भी न्यू कमर आके लेमन ट्री के साथ merge कर देगा?
Of course, there is some major mismatch, but by and large, online travel agents are, reach to the customers that we want, which are customers who use the internet to search and then to book business.
तो ई मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजीज के सिवा और कौन सी ऐसी मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजीज हैं जो इस समय लेमन ट्री अपनाएगा?
Well, we are focusing heavily on our loyalty program. So we have something called Lemon Tree Smiles, and we have now hit 1 million members. We have launched it only 3 years ago. So we think that in the next 3 years, we will have about 2.5-3 million members, which is a very large customer base, because all of them are repeat customers.
Anything for younger audience?
I think our brand is fresh, fun, spirited. It is not a formal brand. It is an informal brand. It has very interesting, fun elements. The average age of my employees is also only about 25, 26. So I think we do appeal to the younger Indian customer. In fact, the average age, most of my customers are less than 35 years old.
तो प्रॉपर्टी जो है वो रिजॉर्ट में कन्वर्ट होंगी कुछ सालों बाद, या होटल्स में ही रहने वाली?
No, we have resorts and we have business hotels. So एक दूसरे में convert नहीं होता है. Like we have hotels in Goa or in Alleppey or in Bandhavgarh or now in Shimla or in Corbett, and we have business hotels across India and all the major cities. Please subscribe to Vestak.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।